Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Mustang Ecoboost. Ford Mustang Ecoboost. This one has the 10-speed automatic and of course is the convertible trim. Total price of $36,755. Rapid red metallic over ebony cloth seats, 2.3 liter Ecoboost. It's rocking P.O.V Neros, all season tires. I actually had those on my Challenger before I traded out of them. Well, actually no, they ran out of tread. Oops. I ran them out of tread. Yeah, I had that car. Had that set of tires a year and they were gone. Carbon fiber up on the dash. Although I think it's textured plastic, but if it is real, actually no, the GT comes with real carbon. And the GT500 and the GT350. All right. Base level infotainment, not a touchscreen, but you can press all buttons and fun stuff here. Does still have your backup camera, of course. Sport mode, drive. Let me start it off in sport, and then we'll move it over up into drive for the second pull. Up over the snow. I know these tires in the snow, so let's see how this is. Wow, actually not bad. Okay, that's not a good test of what it's like in the snow. But it gives you an idea. You can drive these all year round. I drive my Challenger all year round. There's nothing stopping you. These traction control systems are so good that honestly, it is definitely daily drivable. So you know what, I'll do normal drive and then I'll do paddle shift mode the second time around. Oh, I can't see anything. The Ecoboost motor was alongside the V6 for a couple years, 2015, 2016, that era. But then the Ecoboost replaced the V6. So now it's just the Ecoboost and the GT. Kind of wish they kept a V6. If they offered like a high performance supercharged V6, I would be all over that. But of course, you know, even if they did the twin turbo V6 that you find in like the F-150, that 2.7, this thing would have been a rocket. However, I'm not complaining because this is quick, very, very quick. Close to 300 horsepower. It's pretty. It's up there. I mean, that's plenty of power. And it's also a more usable power than the GT. You do not have to wind this motor out like you do the GT to get your power. All the torque is down low. So around town, it's almost better to have the Ecoboost over the GT. You can also get the performance exhaust on the Ecoboost. Should you? That is your choice to make. I mean, I couldn't not let you go. You were right in front of me. And then we're going to have this guy do the same bloody thing. Popeyes really that? Well, actually, yes, it is. Popeyes is that special. Over the bumpy roads. Can't believe this is a two-way road. Over the bumps, it's actually not bad. Stop shaking. Pop it down into sport with the paddles. This is, of course, the 10-speed automatic that's been co-developed with GM and Ford. It's an awesome transmission, honestly. Rev matches down into first. Like the GT, you can also get the Ecoboost in a manual. That's the way I'd go. I'd get the performance package on the Ecoboost with the manual. It's an awesome car, especially for around town. Don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape. Whew! Paddles are very, very responsive for a normal torque converter automatic. A lot of times it's very, very sluggish. The street is chaos. So I'm gonna go up through here. Come on, car. There we go. Good girl. Oh boy. Get me through, get me through. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.